Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to share a table with you. This one is kind of, I'm going to be using a lot of reds, and I am going to be mixing metals. Okay. You could use this for a 4th of July, a patriotic day, um, a Valentine's, even Father's Day. So you could use it for any occasion. So I'm going to start. This is my reverse gold and silver runner. So of course on this side it has the edge and gold. And we are going to go with this side, okay? I want it to be more that way. So we're going to do it like that, all right? Guys, this video is part of the open collaboration. Just get it done. And you could share anything you like, decor, shopping, cooking, anything that you need to get done. And I need to get this table done because I am having company coming. And this is hosted by the Prater Live. Okay? And it's hosted by the Prater Live, and she does this every Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I believe it's 2 p.m. Central Time. Anyways, I will be leaving her link of her channel in my description box below. Guys, I think I want to add another runner on top of that one, just to combine the colors, because I am using white as well. So a vintage white runner. I am not going to open it, or maybe I am. Let's see. Yeah, I could actually access the silver through the white, so that's perfect. So let's do it like this. Guys, I'm going to leave this video to music, so enjoy the music. I just recently thrifted these glasses about 2 days ago. It's okay. Now we're going to add the um, few things more. Just to bring some black color to the center of the table. And again, there is no flowers on this table. This is a set of 3 that I thrifted. I mean, you could spread them out through the table from the one to the lowest, but I want to have it on the center. So it looks nice. I'll show you. Guys, I thrifted this one about a month ago, maybe a little bit longer. This is the receipt. I have the receipt in the box. Not the receipt, but this is from, I guess somebody purchased it at Macy's in 2006, and it says present for merchandise exchange or merchandise certificate. Macy's, New York. Quantity 1. It doesn't say the price. I guess it was a gift from Macy's. And whoever purchased it, it purchased on 12/16/2006. So yeah, guys, and I guess the person didn't like the present, and I got it. And I only paid $10. So yeah, guys, this is the table. I'm going to turn on the candles and turn off the light and show you all the way around. I hope you like what I put together for you. I like it. It is budget friendly. It's a thrifted tablescape. The only thing here that I have from the Dollar Tree, which is this plastic utensils and this plate. Everything else is either from Goodwill or Savers thrift store. So let's turn on the candles and show you other way around. So guys, are you ready? So guys, it is 8 p.m. We having a severe thunderstorm. If you hear anything, yeah. Anyways, this is what the table looks like. I decided to add two more candle holders. So here you go. Well, guys, I hope you like it. And I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And I do too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, friends. Bye.